Remember I mentioned that I got in contact with some of the best iPhone developers out there, and about the incredible knowledge I learned from them? Here is what I decided to do. I created a special bonus report with the interviews and secrets right from these great people, and I am going to give it to you as a gift if you join my group. So what do you think would be a fair price for the first real-time iPhone and iPad development multimedia course that really works and makes you achieve the results? Given the incredible profitability of the app development that I showed to you, and all the great bonuses I'm going to offer you, $699 would be fair, wouldn't it? However, I won't ask you to give me $699, or even $399 for that matter. Think about it. I am basically giving you a year's worth of high-end iPhone strategies that could make you hundreds of thousands of dollars. By ordering today through this video, you are going to get instant access to the whole iPhone and iPod development course, everything included in this deal, as well as the additional bonuses such as free video tutorials, reports, and interviews with the best developers, and dedicated personal support for just $99. And that's 100% guaranteed. Let me explain. With this training, your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed, and I want to make this clear. You are totally covered by my 60-day satisfaction, no questions asked guarantee. So if you don't love my course, I'll insist you take your money back. I don't see that being an issue. But I believe the last thing you want to do is give this back when you start creating your app or game. But I do want you to know, we've got you covered, and we've got your back if you're worried about this. So here's what I want you to do now. To get instant access to the iPhone Dev Secrets course, click on the big orange Add to Cart button below right now. And let's get started. Let me give you some interesting statistics real quick. There are 4 billion apps downloaded from Apple's App Store currently. Over 250 million iGadgets sold. I mean iPhones, iPods, and iPads in total. For every one paid app, there are 12 free downloaded apps, which, by the way, you can use as well for generating a revenue with list building and showing ads. There are over 250,000 approved apps in the Apple Store, and the top apps and games are averaging $10,000 per day from downloads. That's crazy if you think about it. Now think about if you could be one of them and making huge money off of it. Well, I've already been doing it for the last 6 months, as you know. And I am sure you don't want to miss the boat here. And I really want you to realize how many opportunities are out there. So get ready. Soon you are going to be among those people who really get into mobile game development. This is like if I told you 12 years ago that you can use Google AdWords to bring traffic to your site. People literally became millionaires overnight by doing the right thing at the right time. And it's the same thing with mobile games and apps now. You really don't want to miss the gold rush of apps and game sales. So get ready for the ride of your life. And I really hope my video presentation helped you get a perspective in your head of how big mobile development is for you, and how much money you potentially can make by selling your game or app. The most important part is your desire to create a game or app of your dream and make huge amounts of money by selling it. Moreover, besides money, you gain respect and recognition among the developer society. Who knows? Maybe you will become the next Gameloft. So click the magic orange Add to Cart button below and get instant access to your personal member area with all the training, videos, and bonuses, so you can start creating your own app or game literally today. Look, there is so much money in having your own application, and the reason people stay clear of it is usually because they think it's way too hard to start. Let me tell you something. There's so many ways to start up your own app without any knowledge of anything app-related. All you need is the idea. That's the key. Have you heard of iFart? Well, the person who created it did not know anything about programming or app development at all. They just had the funny idea and took action to make it real. And now, he is averaging about $10,000 per day from this stupidly simple application. Just think about it. How is that possible? That is huge. You see, the great thing about it is that once your app is in the App Store, it is exposed to millions and millions of iPhone users. And using the few easy tricks that I will show you, you can drive tons of dirt cheap traffic to it. And it's like a snowball. It keeps rolling and increasing in size each day. Let me ask you this. Why is it so great to have your own app or game? There are two different ways to go when having your own app. You can either go the pay route, when someone has to pay from 99 cents to $10 to buy your app. The other way is to go the free route. Most people don't even think of making their app free, but there is actually less competition, and therefore, you can make a ton of money. How?